Well, hey guys, it's Catherine from CatherinePuller.com. Welcome to our release week. It's stamp of approval time. If you are new to the concept, we release a new stamp of approval collection every quarter, and this box is chock full of amazingness. We design and illustrate a collection of products that coordinate together. So there's no more guessing, there's no more going to the store, going online and loading your cart up with a bunch of random things, then going home and sitting down and not knowing exactly what to do and how to put these products together, right? Has that ever happened to you? So we design products that coordinate together. We like to include a variety of products such as sentiments and background stamps and borders and layering dies and sentiment dies and all sorts of great things. So when you sit down with this box, you're going to be bursting at the creative seams. Not only do you get a box of products that go together, but you're also, when you purchase this, going to get a project guide. So we compile usually around 35 of our designers' favorite projects using only the products in this box, meaning the stamps and dies from this box. And we give you a downloadable project guide with step-by-step instructions and the photos of all of the projects, our favorite ones that we made with this collection, so that you can download it, you can view it, you can get inspired, and you can go crazy with card making, guys. That is the point of this collection. So we love the element of surprise here at Catherine Puller Designs, and so we release this box a little different than we do other releases. So the way it works is every day for 3 days, I'm going to show you different products from this collection. So over the course of 3 days, you will see everything that comes in this box, but we'll never show it to you all together, so that when this box arrives on your doorstep, if you love feeling like Christmas morning, it will be the first time you see everything together. Now, if you don't like surprise so much, you can watch all the videos, you can even screenshot it, and you can get a peek and you can see exactly what comes in this box. So are you guys ready to see the first couple products? So the namesake of this box is Love is in the Air. So this is the Love is in the Air stamp set. We started with hand lettering from Shauna. You guys are crazy about her hand lettering, so we did more of that. She did a love, and then she did a bunch of sentiments to go with the love. So you can build all sorts of different greetings and sentiments. So we didn't stop there. She hand lettered another love. This is a little bit different style, and we did it in a die. It's a different size, a different script, and so you have options. One of my favorite things about this stamp set is all the little pieces and parts. So we have a couple different hot air balloons, obviously. I'm going to show you how to build this one in just a minute. We also have all these little filler stamps, which I love, and you guys seem to really love too. And I have dubbed this stamp set the Lucky Charm stamp set because we have the heart, stars, diamond, there's the diamonds, and the 4-leaf clovers. So let me show you this card that I made. This is my Lucky Charm card. It has the pink hearts, blue diamonds, yellow stars, and green clovers. So I had a lot of fun with that. And you can also see there's a little border stamp right here. It's not included in this one, but it is in our Happiness Enclosed stamp set. And this is one of our illustrators, Lydia Evans. It's her first stamp set for the Stamp of Approval collection. Now, we designed this stamp set because we wanted to have elements to use on backgrounds, we wanted borders, and we wanted stamps that you can use on the backs of your cards and also on your envelopes. So there's lots of fun different greetings. Definitely not a bill, happiness enclosed, one-of-a-kind card for a one-of-a-kind person. We have Long Live Snail Mail, and then we have all these fun little, the paper airplane and the envelope, and it has a real hand-drawn look to it. The circle, you guys know I love circles and graphics, so this is right up my alley. So you'll be seeing more of this. Today I'm not really going to use it that much, but make sure you're following me on Facebook too, because we do a lot of lives, and we'll be doing a lot of lives this week showing you more projects to be made with all of these goodies. Let me show you one more here. This is another card I made. These little guys, all the little Lucky Charm pieces, are really cute to hang from the cloud. And again, so many different variations of greetings that you can make with this stamp set. So real quick, I'm just gonna make a card I wanted to show you how to use this hot air balloon, this one. So this one looks like there's not a lot of room there, right? Well, let me show you how to stamp it. So I have the top and the bottom, and then I also have this little XOXO strip. So I'm gonna start, let's see, I'm gonna use Meant to Be an Aquatini. Actually, before I do that one, I wanted to do a little masking. So I'm gonna use this hot air balloon. We'll stamp that there. And then I have stamped that hot air balloon again on computer paper and cut it out. And then I used my two-way glue pen and I just dabbed some adhesive on the back of this. I let it dry, and when you do that, it becomes a temporary adhesive. So now I'm going to stamp over it. I'm going to do the bottom first, Meant to Be. And then we do the XOXO. And then we do the top. And just like that, you have a really cute, fun hot air balloon. And then we'll take off the mask and you can see it looks like they're floating right side by side. So a couple options here. We have strings. You can see here and here. We have strings for the balloon, so you can stamp those. I didn't quite get it straight. That's what happens when you stamp on video. And then you can stamp your heart below. And we have the little, okay guys, I couldn't leave it like that. I had to stamp it over. It's hard to, when I'm trying to stamp on video, sometimes get things lined up. So there, I was able to do it. So we have the little basket on this guy too. And then we have some clouds in this stamp set also. So I'm gonna use It's a Boy. And I want lighter than that, so I'm going to stamp it off once, and then we'll just go to our card and stamp a couple of these really light. Oh my gosh, so cute. All right, and then we have the small cloud. Oh, and hey, you guys, look, we got brand new round blocks. So we just got these in the office, and we are really, really excited to have them. If you have used or gotten our smaller blocks, we have the small rectangle. We have, I'm storing all my stamps here. We have a small, long rectangle that's great for greetings. And then we also have a large rectangle, which I don't see on my desk right now, but they have grids for you. They're lightweight for their size. They have really nice grooves, nice indentations that are just perfect for your fingers. And so now we have our circle blocks. These are custom made just for us, and we just got them in. And they match and are just like our other ones. So I am totally loving these. So, so excited. Okay, I think that's good for the clouds. So let me move on and pick a greeting. I'm gonna go with a simple love you. I'm doing blackjack. So wouldn't you know, I stamped the greeting and I totally mess up. So we have to take a detour. So I decided to take our gray cardstock. We have a pack, it's called Smoke Mirrors, and it has dark gray and light gray. So I took the dark gray and I just did love embossed over the top of it. And I'm gonna adhere it right straight to the card front, covering up my mistake. And then we can do the U right underneath that. And if we wanted to add anything extra, we have all these little fun hearts and stuff. So I'm gonna grab one of the little hearts and we'll do it in It's a Girl ink. And just do a couple of them for fun. So I want to mount this on a layer. So this is just about 1/8 of an inch larger than this piece. This is 5 by 3 3/4. I want to color it. So I'm going to take my It's a Girl ink and I'm just going to gently swipe across the edges. And just that easy, I have coordinating colored cardstock. I added some dimensional adhesive to the back of my card layer. We'll just add that to the front, and then I have some liquid glue. I'm going to add this to my greeting strip and we'll add that right to the front. as I was making this, I thought, you know what? There is one piece missing, so I'm going to show you one more product that's coming out in this collection. That is our Starburst die. Many different ways to use this. I've seen it used as flowers and suns and just fun little accents on your cards. Our creative team has been going wild with it. I have already cut one out. And I want to color it because we are going to use it as a sun on this one. So I'm going to grab Tiara and my ink blending tool. And I'm just going to carefully go from the center out to the edges. And that way I won't wrinkle or rip my little sun rays. You can also do just yellow cardstock or sponge your cardstock before, but I really like doing it once it's already cut out because then I can kind of go heavier in the center and darker on the edges or vice versa. And then I wanted to add a little bit of Tiki Torch into the center just to darken that up. And we have a really super fun Starburst to add to this cute card. And just a quick tip, I don't know if you can see, but the ends here are kind of bowing up. So I'm just gonna take a little piece of dimensional adhesive and I'm gonna lay it right under there, and then it will be flat all the way across the top. I could use some dimensional adhesive on my Starburst as well, but I'm just gonna add it straight to the project. Just add a little liquid adhesive, add it to the front. Now for trimming this down, I really would prefer to use some long blade scissors, but I think they got stolen for wrapping presents and cutting wrapping paper. So I'm just gonna make do with my short scissors, trim that off, and we're done. Oh my gosh, this turned out so cute. I think the yellow sun really adds a great little pop to this card, and I can't resist adding sequins. So we'll just use the quick stick and some liquid glue and add those right on. All right, so here is a quick recap. We have the Sunburst die. We have the Love is in the Air stamp set. We have the Happiness Enclosed, which I actually didn't use today, but it is used on one of the cards that I shared. And then we have the Love die. And here are the projects. We have the Love My Time with You. And did you guys notice this chevron right here is this guy? Yes. And then we have the Lucky Charms card. We used the little border stamp here and glittered that love, and that's it. So be sure to follow us on Facebook too. We'll be doing some live showing you more projects and more fun with this collection. And tomorrow I'll be back with some more products. If you're not on our wait list, be sure to hop over to cpstampofapproval.com. These collections sell out quickly. Our last 2 out of 3 collections sold out only to the wait list and never went out to general ordering. So make sure you get your name on there, and I'll see you again soon.